Hi, Dawn's Inspirations here. Another little show and tell for you. This is Scrapbook Folio 2, and I just had to share this. This was made by one of my design team ladies, Karen, and I have been given permission to share with you so you can see what it looks like once it's filled with fabulous photographs documenting a special trip, a family. You know, this is what these are about. Scrapbook folios are basically your photo album, but a photo album where you can be creative. You can be creative with your papers. You can be creative making scrapbook layouts and showcasing all your lovely images and telling that story over and over again for loved ones to enjoy. And I've just had to share this with you because I think it looks amazing how she's just filled this with photographs of a special trip, and it just looks beautiful. And it's nice to have everything all in one place. This is what this is all about. It's about having these all in one place so you're not scrolling through your phone to show your friends and things. You know, lots of deep pockets for even more photographs to be added when they're ready. You know, this is the nice thing about it. But it's just, I just had to share it because it looks amazing. And I want to say a big thank you, Karen, for allowing me to take it over on Hobby Maker, but also to share it with the lovely people that follow Dawn's Inspirations, because hopefully this will inspire you. This will show you just how you can use your Scrapbook Folio 2, just filled with memories, with photographs, all in one place. So everything is kept to share with friends and loved ones. So thank you, Karen.